از ابتدای کار ستاد بحران رو تشکیل دادیم و یک قرارگاه ویژه در اینجا تشکیل شده. مجموعه
تمام شیشه ها نگاه کنید ریخته. این انفجار کنید چیکار کنید.
عرض کردم باید این حادثه در حال حاضر که در حال انجام اقدامات عملیات و امداد هستیم، بعد از این شاید انشالله جمع‌بندی لازم انجام خواهد شد.
A suspected chemical blast sent clouds of smoke billowing over Iran's largest port on Saturday. Several people were killed and more than 700 were injured in the explosion at Bandar Abbas, Iranian state media reported. State TV aired footage said to show the aftermath of the blast. People are seen walking through a building with debris scattered on the floor. Others are seen outside, some carrying the injured. A spokesperson for Iran's crisis management organization appeared to blame the explosion on poor storage of chemicals in containers. An Iranian government spokesperson, however, said that although chemicals had likely caused the blast, it was not yet possible to determine the exact cause. Officials said activities at the port were halted after the blast. The explosion occurred as Iran began a third round of nuclear talks with the United States and Oman, but there was no immediate indication of a link between the two events. A series of deadly incidents have hit Iranian energy and industrial infrastructure in recent years, with many blamed on negligence. Iran has blamed some on Israel, which has carried out attacks on Iranian soil in recent years. There was no immediate response from Israel's military or Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office when asked for comment on whether Israel was in any way involved in Saturday's explosion.
کانتینر در محدوده بندر شهید رجایی بندر عباس موجب خسارت به ساختمان‌های اطراف شد. به گفته مدیر کل مدیریت بحران هرمزگان